Okay, we have a number of motions on today. And one of them, I think I'm going to rule on one of them because
Before
yes.
you do, did you look at service? Because I haven't received any service.
I did look at service, but I'm not going to talk about those motions today. The motion I'm going to talk about is your motion
Yes, Your Honor.
to, I think you called it a motion to stay, but it's essentially to suspend proceedings for arbitration.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, it looks like attached was language from the retainer agreement that indicated if there was going to be a controversy, then everybody was going to agree to arbitration. It looks like that was signed by both the client and the attorney. And so, ma'am, I know that you opposed that motion. You said that that would prejudice you, the delay. You also indicated that this issue should have been raised earlier. And that he waived that right for arbitration is something else that you argued. Did you want to argue anything else
Yes, I would like.
on this particular motion?
Yes, Your Honor. So the defendant's own contract says that any disputes go to arbitration unless the parties agree otherwise here too, which in this case, we have agreed to proceed in this court. The defendant filed a motion in opposition and he requested relief from this court.
Mhm.
So,
Okay, I understand what you're saying. So that makes essentially him participating in the litigation waives his agreement to arbitration. Okay.
and so where there is a dispute, the Supreme Court confirmed the court decides even if arbitration rules or delegation clause exist, Combase versus Suski.
Yeah, the court's going to decide that. And actually, this court can't do that. I have to send this case to district court. So I appreciate the arguments you raised. I think they're fine arguments. Him participating in the litigation does not waive his right or does not nullify the agreement for arbitration. And it will cause a delay, but it is an agreement. It looks like to me that was made between the parties. And so essentially this case is going to be put on pause. It's going to go to district court to determine if this arbitration clause is going to apply. And then if it does or doesn't, of course, that will dictate the future of the case. If it does apply, you guys will be sent to arbitration. If it doesn't, you'll come back down here. We'll continue to litigate the case. Does that make sense? And so for the other motions, I'm going to talk to you about defendant's motion to dismiss. I'm not going to hear that. That's going to be heard at a later date if it doesn't resolve in arbitration or if it comes back down here, because there is no arbitration. And on your motions that you file in the future, first you want to make sure that you serve the defendant. So, and when you do that, you'll file a certificate of service.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
Okay, so we're going to set a status check and it's going to be for 90 days actually. For an update from the parties on the issue of arbitration.
Sorry, you were when was this?
We're getting it.
December 10th.
December 10th. And counsel on the motion for arbitration, can you submit that order?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, folks.
Nice to see you again, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Thank you.